Okay, so good day everyone. My name is Hayat Latifit, and today I will be presenting a civil website that I built using WordPress for Laboratory Activity 6. The site is hosted locally through SAMPP and can be accessed at localhost slash TV slash. So let me walk you through the different parts of the site and explain how I approach each requirement. So the WordPress setup to set up the site, I used SAP as my local server and I started Apache and MySQL through the SAP control panel. So I created a new database through PHP my admin and I stored WordPress in a folder called CV inside the htdocs directory. So the site is fully accessible at localhost slash CV slash with no configuration errors. To forwardly see the site, I use a separate WordPress installation from my portfolio activity to keep both my projects organized and independent from each other. So the theme I use is called Socials, which is clean, minimal theme designed for professional websites. I chose this theme because it naturally supports a CV-style layout with a light background, organized sections, and modern card-based design for content blocks. So customizations are that I applied into light color scheme with a white and off-white background for a professional resume-like feel, contrasting with a dark color section. And then a soft blue circular image frame for the profile photo, giving the hero section a polished look. Bold, larger typography for the main height of the kit in the hero section with a smaller supporting and paragraph for the career summary. So the section headings, which is the work, history, skills, projects, and educations are displayed in large bold text aligned to the left with content cards placed on the right side for a structured two-column field. So the color label tags, which is pale or mint green, used for time periods and sections. The subcategories like BSIT student, ICT student, and SPICT student. So a photo style with a dark background displaying a social media icons. You can see it redirects to my socials and contact information alongside a circular profile photo. Okay, then so let's go for the CV. It's structured as a single page layout contains the following sections, which I will go through one by one. So for the personal information at the top of the page, the hero section displays my full name, professional photo beside professional profile photo inside a blue circular frame, a brief personal introduction, a second-year Bachelor of Science in Information Technology student at Central Luzon State University. I'm eager to learn, hardworking, and passionate about technology. I enjoy on both technical and creative projects, and I'm always looking for opportunities to grow and apply what I've learned in real-world settings. I'm a team player who communicates well and adapts quickly to new challenges. So social media icons are the Facebook, LinkedIn, Discord, and my GitHub. So for the career objective, the personal introduction paragraph in the hero section also serves as my career objective. It communicates my current academic standing, personal strength, and professional goals in concise manner, which is appropriate for a student CV at this stage. So for my work history section presents my work experience in a card layout. In 2024, I did a work immersion at local municipality in electronic data processing department. I assisted in encoding, organizing, and managing digital records within the municipality's data processing unit, gained hands-on experience in government office operations and proper data handling procedures. This is my most recent work-related experience, and it is directly relevant to my IT background. So for the skills section is divided into two categories, displayed side by side using two-column card layout. So for the soft skill, which is the problem solving, I am able to analyze technical issues and think through solutions calmly and logically, even under pressure. So for the hard skill, which is the web development, so I am not knowledgeable in building basic websites using HTML, CSS, and PHP with hands-on experience from academic projects. So this section shows both of my technical and interpersonal competencies in clear, readable format. So for the projects, the project section displays three of my completed academic projects in a three-column card layout. Each card includes the year, tools used, title, and a brief description. The layout uses the same title level tags and consistent with the rest of the site's design. So in 2026, I used PHP and my SQL to build a bulk shell management system. It is a robust administrative tool featuring role-based access controls for staff and admins. And this project focuses on secure database integration and comprehensive CRUD operations to streamline library inventory management and user authentication. So in 2025, I used Java and MySQL to build page replacement algorithm. It is an educational simulation tool that visualizes memory management within an operating system. So this application implements and compares the FIFO, which is the first in first out, and LRU, which is the least recently used algorithms, providing a clear look at the page faults and frame allocations. So in 2025, I used Java again and MySQL to build personal attendance tracker. It is a productivity application designed to help users monitor their schedules with precision. It features a real-time time-stamping system for logging attendance and managing new schedules, and automatically calculating total absences to ensure better time management. So this section directly addresses the projects or achievements requirements to demonstrate practical application of the programming languages and tools listed in my skills section. And lastly, the education section displays the three entries in a three-column card layout organized by time period using the color-coded labels. So in 2024 to present time, I am a BSIT student at Central Luzon State University, currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology with coursework covering web development, networking, database management, and information security. So in 2020 to 2024, I am an ICT student at Cabiao Senior High School. I completed the ICT strand under the Technical Vocational Livelihood track, building a strong foundation in computer systems, programming basics, and digital technologies. So in 2017 to 2022, I I was an SPIC student, which at the Cabiao National High School, I completed the special program in ICT, gaining hands-on experience in 2D animation and website development using VB.net, with mastery in my Microsoft Office applications. So at the bottom of the page, the footer displays get in touch with me. I, and I get you to your email, phone, socials, and a circular profile photo that is included in the footer as a visual identifier. So the curriculum vitae follows a single page layout design, which means that all content is presented on one scrollable page without the need for multiple page navigation. This is a common and clean approach for CV websites because it keeps everything accessible in one place. So the section flows logically from top to bottom. Here, introduction to work history, skills, project, education, and the footer. This order mirrors the structure of a traditional CV, introducing the person first, then showcasing their experience, abilities, and academic background, and finally providing contact information at the end. Navigation is provided through the top bar with the site name socials. Admin level control visible in the WordPress editor. The single page layout makes the navigation intuitive since the user simply scrolls through the content. Okay, so throughout the site, I utilize several WordPress features like the Gutenberg block. I used it for the heading blocks for section titles, the paragraph blocks for body text and descriptions, column blocks for the 12-column skills layout and 3-column education layout, image block for the profile photo in the hero section and footer, and the group block to combine and structure card style sections. And the media uploads, profile photo uploaded and placed in the hero section inside the styled circular blue frame. The same photo is reused in the footer section, and the social media icons like Discord, Facebook, GitHub, LinkedIn are displayed as visual links in the both hero and the footer sections. So for the responsiveness, the site is built using the social theme, which is a responsive WordPress theme. The layout is designed to adapt to different screen sizes, and the 2-column and 3-column card layouts in the skills and application sections are expected to stock into single column or smaller screens, such as tablets and mobile devices, maintaining readability without horizontal overflow. So the hero section or the introduction section with the circular photo, the section cards, and the footer contact area are all standard responsive elements provided by the team Gutenberg block layout system. So the media is used purposely throughout the CV site. For my profile photo, displayed prominently in the hero section inside the soft blue circular frame, giving the page a professional and personal feel upon loading. So social icons, images for Facebook, LinkedIn, Discord, and GitHub are placed in the hero section and repeated in the footer for easy access to social growth. So all media was uploaded through the WordPress media library and inserted using the Gutenberg image blocks. So all text content in the CV is original, professionally written, and free of spelling errors. Each section uses a clear, concise language appropriate for professional civic document. The site is easy to navigate, being a being a single page layout. The user only needs to scroll to access all information. The visual hierarchy is clear, and you can see the large bold headings to identify each sections, color label tags, provide a quick context, and a card layout to keep related content grouped and visually separated. Font sizes are appropriate and readable. The light background with dark text maintains a strong contrast for readability, while dark footer provides a clear visual endpoint for the page. So overall, the site presents a clean, professional online CV that is easy to read, visually organized, and reflective of my personal and academic background. So that concludes my presentation of my curriculum vitae website for laboratory activity 6. Summarize, the site was built on WordPress using XAMPP, which is the social themes with customized layout and styling, and covers all of the required CV sections used like the personal information, career objectives, work history, skills, project, education, and contact details, all organized in a clean single-page format with the proper use of Gutenberg blocks and media. And that's it for the presentation.